All right, so we have Black History DAO, so put your hands together. Welcome.
Sorry? Okay, hi everyone. How are you doing? My name is Jeff. I'm from Montreal, Canada. I am with Adrienne.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Adrienne Guy. I am a computer engineer from Cleveland, Ohio. And it is my honor and privilege to speak on behalf of a DAO that the two of us, as well as many of our co-founders, are starting about Black history, the Black History DAO. For me, it's really a privilege to be here to speak about this initiative that's so close to my heart. How the Black History DAO and blockchain technology can improve the preservation and celebration of Black history. The Black History DAO is a DAO and a Web3 initiative dedicated to collecting and preserving Black stories and Black history and making it openly accessible and accuracy, then immutably anchoring those stories on the blockchain. The journey of reclaiming accurate Black history is a global community movement driven to verify unimpeachable historic moments and artifacts together while chronicling the remarkable dissension of a people. What we're looking to solve with creating this DAO is to provide a platform that unifies the preservation of Black history in a collective DAO structured through data and stored on an immutable distributed ledger, facilitating the onboarding of our historians. And the DAO will serve as a connection between all of our historians, historical organizations, as well as giving a stronger connection to collective impact in the community. The Black History DAO is here to coordinate and implement decentralized immutable storage systems as well as historical data.
Okay, thank you. Now she just explained about the Black History DAO. What the purpose of the Black History DAO? Number one is we want to use the blockchain technology to help the storage of all information. This is number one. Number two, this platform will be one of the platforms to reunite all the historians. Number three, we want also to use this platform as, we're going to also have a launch pad. We want to use that platform to finance all the different initiatives by creator. For example, let's say there will be initiative for, let's say you want to do an event for the Black history and you need financing, the launchpad will be used for that. And also for the Black history, we're going to have our own metaverse. If you go to our Twitter, that we'll tell you later, you can see what we have done for the Black history. Our goal is to create our own metaverse, virtual world, and AR. And in this world, you'll be able to see what I've done in the past. In this world, you'll be able to see several events. You'll be able to get to buy. You'll be able to visit, to go to a virtual museum. And also, you'll be able to see, for example, past celebrity on the music from other industry. You'll be able to see. From the AR side, once you'll be going to a specific location, you'll be able to see from your cell phone or your glasses, you'll be able to see what's going on. There'll be like an assistant, like a tour that will, or like a tourist tour that will explain to you about what has been done in the past. This is what we're providing for the Black history. Also, like I said, we said it will be a unique guichet of a storage, decentralized. The purpose of doing that is to have immutable data being stored, and this is the overall. That's what we're supposed to do.
Unfortunately, our founder, Theresa Kennedy, was unable to be here today, but she's wonderful. She actually has a extensive background operating in this space. She has a bachelor's in anthropology as well as an MBA in technical management, technology management, and her leadership throughout the last few months has been what has allowed us to congregate and alleviate a lot of the issues that we're here to solve. If you would like to learn more about our DAO, you can find us at Black History DAO on Instagram, BLK History DAO on Twitter, And you can also sign up and learn more, join our emailing list at blackhistorydao.io.
Thank you. Thank you to listen to, for example, for us, it's a privilege to be here. Thank you to listen about what we have to present about the Black History DAO and how the blockchain and the DAO could be used as a solution to reunite, number one, all the historians, number two, to reunite, to have one unique guichet of all historians from around the world, and also to show on the metaverse the history from the past, and to do also some economic activity and like a fundraising also to finance project that will present some of his story from the past. Thank you for your time. You have any question? Yeah, we have question.
A couple of questions? Great. That'd be fantastic. And if there are other questions from the audience too, that would be fantastic. So how do you go through the process of curating the inbound content? And does the DAO get to actively discuss whether or not a certain piece of content could or could not be part of the immutable record that you're looking to create?
Okay, the way it's supposed to be it's supposed to be a first of all, the DAO, you have the membership, and then you have a second tier of membership. And this tier of membership or the creator that will be voted by the member. Those members is kind of CV they present from the profile about what for example, could be historian, it could be someone is well known in different industry, and the member will vote according to that and based to different region, because the history from in US, the history in Africa is different, in Canada is different, and is based from the member. Yes. I don't know if it's clear.
And we also have a curation committee that specifically works with initiatives. For the most part, there is a proposal process that we work closely with different communities, organizations, all over the place, and working closely with our curation committee. You could submit proposals of projects, passion projects you may have, stories that you want to tell, and we'll go through a process of verification and solidification of that data, that information, and then we'll also use collective community resources to get that immunized on the blockchain.
So I see, by the way, up to you've got some revenue streams. Are you planning an NFT sale, and what does that look like?
Yes, there will be an NFT sale for, first of all, to be a member, for the government to be part of the DAO, and some of the income will be coming from the metaverse. For example, there will be virtual tour. If you use the help of the virtual assistant, maybe there will be a cost. Maybe from the museum, there will be you buy some souvenir. And also we'll be financing some creator about they may have something to propose, and maybe there's if it's a commercial project, maybe we may charge like a tax to pay back the activity.
And then we also have a desire to function as a sort of an incubator in the same way. The desire is to amplify Black voices. So through that curation committee and through those proposals from those who have the desire to have NFT projects, whether they're looking to serve different initiatives, whether they're looking to serve the community or different foundations, nonprofit or for-profit, our curation would have an administrative fee in kind of getting them through that incubating process, but it would really be for those voices that we're looking to amplify to help our history be immunized in the blockchain.
I've got a couple other questions, but are there any questions from the audience? We just have one more minute, but any questions, thoughts, comments?
No comments, no question, but just want to say it's just wonderful to see this project manifested, so congrats.
Thank you. Bless
Thank you.
That's absolutely fantastic. Yeah, for sure. So my final question, I guess, is so when you talk a lot about the VR and AR, right? The tickets, the tours, the merch. What platforms is it? Decentraland, Sandbox? What are some of the ways in which, where specifically in the metaverse you're looking to have folks meet you?
Number one will be create our own platform. Everything will be based on Unreal, because we want to make Decentraland is more cartoonish. We want to make more realistic project. And we have a demo we can see to our Twitter. You can see what we have done as a demo. And it's not a dream. It's a reality that we want to build so far.
So the initiative and the desire is to really have true ownership and independence within the space. As well, we consider ourselves blockchain agnostic. So we don't have any commitment to any specific blockchain or any specific platform. So for those within our community, as well as the Web3 community, we've gotten a lot of feedback and a lot of interest in desiring the partnership for different blockchains, as well as even some interest that has been expressed to us in building in different metaverses. And that's not something that we are adverse to at all. I think that in any platform that has interest to partner with us or work with us, I think it would be a great opportunity, and we would love to immortalize our history on their chain. Thank you.
That's really fantastic. Put your hands together for Black History DAO. Thank you so much.